Hey everybody, so I got a new espresso machine here today. This is a little bit smaller. It has a digital display for all your buttons. You do have a frother on the side here. You do have your steamer knob. You do have a decent sized reservoir. And it's got a metal top that heats up where it will heat up your glasses as well. In the box you also get your portrait filter, you got your larger filter, and you got your smaller one for your single or your duo. And you also have a tamper. There is a removable drip tray, which also has a float inside that lets you know when it is full. Depending on your cups, they won't always fit, but if you remove that drip tray, it will fit. I'll go ahead and power it up. The first thing is recommended to use the manual and flow water through it, clean the system out a couple times, and then you're ready to go. All the lights are going to be flashing. Once they stop flashing, preheat's done, and you're ready to brew. All right, so once the lights are done flashing, we're going to go ahead and use your coffee of choice. And then brew which one you're wanting. There we go, and this one will shut off when it's done. And it does a nice little froth. So now what we want to do is we want to do our frothing of our milk, or whichever you choose to use there. I just have some regular milk here. You're going to want to press your steam. Wait for that to stop flashing. All right, once the light's off, or solid, and there we go. I'd say the frother works really well with this one. So we got our espresso, we got our frothed milk, and you're ready to go. So the machine works pretty well. My only complaint is that it does take a little bit longer to heat up compared to some of the more, I guess, fancier models you would call them, and compared to what I usually use. Other than that, though, it works pretty well. The frothing actually works very well. I'm surprised with that one. But anyway, if you're looking for a pretty easy to use entry-level espresso machine, this one is pretty decent.